subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs.
Welcome to FANS Wethu TV, Capitec Premiership, Orlando Pirates 2, Sekhukhune 0. I'm joined by Brother Mthiyane.
Steve,
I'm good, my brother.
Very cool.
Yeah, I know. Saturday I go to Sekhukhune. It was very, very hot.
Yes.
Sunday I go to Sundown. It's Monday.
Yeah.
It's a big flu.
Yeah.
So, but I said no. Today Paris is playing. I can't see. I can't watch on TV.
Yes.
You know, Steve, we travel all the way. So let's go to the game, Steve.
Yes.
So firstly, let me thank the technical team. Orlando Pirates for bringing this first 11 that we saw today. Top first 11 in Steve. The experienced player, it was Hoto. Only.
Then youth.
Only. Together with Siema at the back.
Yes.
Siema, you can pay Siema whoever. That person is going to shine.
He'll show his
check today Zulu.
Yeah.
He shine.
Yeah.
Because he was paid with Siema.
Yes.
Siema you can pay. You can bring Kunika.
Yes.
It's going to shine when you play with Siema. Yeah. Tibo, it's going to shine.
He'll become better.
Bring Koza for Sundown.
Maliko, not one is.
Perfect. Don't shine, Steve. Siema, he shows us why. That's why he's the defender of the season.
Yes.
He knows the two tackles and he know when to go out.
Yes.
So it's very good.
Yes.
So everyone can shine when he's playing with CM.
Yes.
That's why Steve, we don't concede.
Yeah.
Even today it is China again on the league game number 2 without a clean sheet, not conceding. Steve. Also before I go to deep into the game, also I just want to thank our technical team, Coach Manja, Coach Jacobs, and Coach Wadu. Now Wadu, please. Us as a fans or supporters, let's respect the coach Wadu and his technical team, Umanja and Jacobs. They're working together. They consult each other. So they're giving us a result week in, week out. Last season, Steve, this time we have 6 points. Now we have 10 points. Imagine, Steve, because last season we never play well. We lost 2 games in a row. But now, Steve, 3 wins and 1 draw, which means we're still on track on 5 games. Because the target for 5 games it was 15 points. So we're going to get 13 points for 5 games. So because we draw against Amazon. So Steve, going to the game. Steve, the lineup was good. Even the players was very, very good. Mukowoli, just number 33, Mthiyane 29. Steve, this player Mthiyane, people they must watch him.
It's too much.
Don't rush. Don't rush when you're watching Mthiyane.
Watch him.
Don't rush.
Did you see the pass?
Oscar Mshevu ujayile.
What do you want the pass, Mr.
Stibo. Uzokushanga spy 2. Ma uzogijima uzokushanga spy 2 ngeke recover.
Yeah, you never.
Usiyenzile le Bulukwane. Today usiyenzile futhi. Again. Yes. Pass.
Can Ox do that?
Yeah?
Can Ox do that?
Oh, never. Ngeke siyenze. Ungamshaya ujayile. That's why today I've got 2 men of them, 3 of them men of the match. Mthiyane, he deserves it. Radio Man, 2. I'm still going to go in there to go with him. And also Uzulu at the back. He complains very well with CM.
Excellent.
So those players, they're coming. They're giving us hope. And the coach, I'm glad because the coach, they're giving time freely to show their case. Also, Radepa today, he grabbed his chance.
Yeah, he did.
He grabbed with both hands. It's what we need for. If you're given a chance, grab the chance, take it with both hands. He create, he score. That's good, you see, for the striker. So it's been long, Radepa on the sideline, watching on the stand, injuries. But now he came back first, and then he gave the opportunity. He scored a beautiful goal and he assists. Someone will rush, will pass. For Sekhukhune, Steve, this is the end of Coach Kazi Cedric.
Saturday.
He can't come back Saturday.
You think so?
I know today he got a red card.
Yes.
He will watch on the stand.
Oh.
Né?
Yes.
He's going to be fired.
After Saturday.
Steve, that red card is helping me a lot. Because Saturday, that first 11 that is coming.
Yes.
Parents, I beat Cedric Kazi, first 11 at Plukwana.
Yes.
I beat Cedric Kazi at home, first 11.
Yes.
On Saturday, I'm going to beat a chairman's first 11. Tatamalaj. Steve, the first 11 that is coming on Saturday.
It's not Kazi.
It's not Kazi.
Yeah.
It's not Zotwane. Yeah. It's not Coach Paulos.
Yes.
It's coming from chairman Tatamalaj. I'm going to beat Tatamalaj on Saturday. I'm done with cars. I'm done with the Paulos Marseille.
Yeah.
I'm done with the Papa Zoten.
Yes.
But Saturday, now I'm going to beat Tatamalaj.
Thank you, Mr.
And when I beat Tatamalaj, I don't know who's going to be fired.
Yes,
because he's the chairman.
Yeah.
He's the chairman.
Yeah.
Cedric Kazi.
Yeah. You'll go and be a translator again.
You come at the right place, but at the wrong time.
Yes.
Because we give two hiding.
Yeah.
Né?
Yes.
And then the third one, he's gone already.
Yeah, he's gone.
So the Saturday, that first 11 I'm going to beat.
Yeah.
It's not for Kazi, it's not for Prosper, it's for the chairman. Yeah, the chairman. I'm going to face the chairman on Saturday. Stibo, Saturday we're going to finish our job.
Yes, it's them.
And Stibo, this team Sekhukhune has been long overdue.
Yes.
They take 4 points last season. Imagine. So, but now I'm going to take him home and away, and then on the league. So, Stibo, let's meet again on Saturday. But tomorrow, Stibo, before Saturday, tomorrow I'm going to see Maraba Start versus Amazon.
Yes.
Yeah.
Will you be there?
So, obviously, I'll be there. So, Coach Arthur, good luck. Good luck for tomorrow. Please do the right thing, because the bags of Cardoso are almost finished to be packed.
Yeah.
Almost finished to be packed. They're tired. So Coach Atazwane, the bags of Cardoso are almost packed, going to airport or Tambo.
Thank you, Mr.
Good luck, Atazwane, for tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, Mr.